So, welcome to Lunar Learning Hub. Let us explore how to use Gemini, which is a Google AI assistant tool for our analysis today. And the data that we are going to consider for our analytics is an HR data. And we are going to have all being done in Google spreadsheet. So Gemini is a Google product, and for you to be able to use it for your data analysis, you would have to subscribe to the paid, versions so that it gets activated in your Google Workspace. So this are Google Sheets, and you realize that we have the option to summarize what is in the data. We also have the option to analyze this data. So let's explore the data by choosing this option to, analyze these data. We already have, we are preview to the data itself. If it is your own employees information, you already know the various fields of your data. So we quickly jump into analyze this data. So it opens the Gemini AI tool to begin the analysis. So you realize that we have the output, the average salary by performance rating. We have the performance rating here, 1 to 5, the scale of, the performance rating that was used, 1 to 5. Then we also have the attrition distribution by department, giving you the various departments and the attrition levels, if the person is still with the organization or not, based on the data available. We have the employee distribution by department as well to know, your workforce, distribution in your organization. And also, we have, insights based on the data, telling you some of the major challenges that you might be experiencing. That's all going to be based on the data that you are analyzing. So at least this gives you a view of um, some of the things that you should look out for in your data. And you would also notice that there are prompts, suggestions for you to consider. And all these suggestions are based on the data that we have here. So create a bar chart to compare the attrition rates across different job levels. We also have another question. You can also create a formula that calculate the percentage of employee with single marital status who have an attrition of yes. We also have an option to create a pivot table as well. We can show more options and few options as well. Let's choose one of the suggestions. So here too, we have, attrition by job level. You're also giving you insights um, based on your data. So it actually helps you um, shorten your brainstorming, stage. It gives you, suggestions, what you are to do, and what to look into based on the data that you have available. We have more, various more suggestions. You can also create a bar chart comparing the average monthly salary across departments. So all these are suggestions that you can um, leverage on to derive insight from your data. So we want to know the average monthly salary across all the departments. So we have the average monthly salary by department. We have it here. I mean, you can go on and on to explore the data, and also to write a question to prompt your data, based on what you are looking out for in your analysis. You realize that there is this bar here. There are more options here. Generate a chart using this data, generate insight or trends for this data, view all suggestions. You can also get to know, what if you are new to, Gemini in Google Sheet, you can get to know what, Gemini does in Google Sheet. So we have it here, and you realize that there are these options. They insert the preview option here, so you can preview, the charts and also insert it. When you insert it, it will appear in a different, spreadsheet. You can also insert it right here. So you realize that we have it in a different um, sheet, then with a table as well. You can also copy it as well. You can just copy the chart here. So here, if you have your data, if you have your chart here, let me close this for a while. So once you have the chart here, you can edit it. You just have to customize it. You can customize the title, the background color, you can change it. So we want to also, activate the data labels. The title too, you can change it. So the average monthly salary by department, we have it here now. We can see it. We can remove the grid lines from it. So we have our charts here. We can do apply more editing to make sure that we have the values outside the column. So we have all the values outside the column. You can go further to, edit the chart as well based on your preference. Change the colors here. You can get back to Gemini to copy any of these charts. So we have another chart here, the title. So you can also edit this one as well. Mm. So you realize that there are decimals um, after it. The attrition rate, you can edit it to, two decimal places. Yeah, remove the grid lines as well. So you just need to be curious about the analytical tool. So I have an exciting news for you. We have an upcoming 2 days HR analytics workshop, and I'm going to take you through the fundamentals, through to the storytelling in HR analytics. We will look at sentiment analysis, go deeper into dashboard creation and how you can make informed decisions, with your company data.